Effects of climate and other factors. Consideration of seasonal strong winds. When installing outdoor units, please avoid the air intake or exhaust side of outdoor unit directly into seasonal wind direction. You can take the windward side. If the condition allows, please build a wall for protection in the rear. The distance between wind wall and outdoor unit is 300 millimeters. The size of wind wall should be larger than the dimension of outdoor unit. Pipe connection of outdoor unit combination. Outdoor unit alignment. Align the outdoor unit from large capacity as A is greater than equal to B is greater than equal to C, and outdoor unit A should be located at the indoor unit side. Piping work between outdoor units. Piping length between manifold pipe and outdoor unit should be LA is less than or equal to LB, is less than or equal to LC, is less than or equal to 10 meters. Keep the direct distance of 500 millimeters or more after branch pipe. Max height difference between modules is 100 millimeters. Place the piping connection kit lower than the outdoor unit piping connection. In case that the piping connection kit is placed higher than the outdoor unit piping connection, keep 300 millimeters max between manifold pipe and bottom of outdoor unit. Also, provide oil trap between the piping connection kit and the outdoor unit and mini 200 millimeters. In case the piping length between outdoor unit is more than 2 meters, the oil trap should be provided for the gas pipe so that accumulation of refrigerant oil may not occur. Place the outdoor unit pipe horizontally or with downward gradient towards the indoor unit side. Otherwise, refrigerant oil may accumulate in the pipe. Direction of branch pipe. Place the branch pipe vertically towards the ground. Horizontal tilt angle less than or equal to 15 degrees.